In this video, we want to talk about QuantumScape, and they have been a staple on this channel. Last week, they announced earnings. They generated $0 during the second quarter, while its EPS loss of 25% fell short of analyst expectations. Now, to give you a better idea of price action on the higher time frame, we have to scroll up to the weekly chart, and you can see that this weekly buyer's level has held up multiple times. I need to narrow that down. So this level was formed from this drop in price, a couple of basic candles in the rally out. Price held once, price held a second time. Now on the third time and fourth time, price actually closed below. The reason being, as price penetrated deeper and deeper into the zone, reaching and filling those unfilled buy orders. Once you got down to this sweep, well, that meant that there were no longer any more unfilled buy orders waiting. Hence, the closes below the low portion of the zone. What are these lines representing? They're representing trend line breaks, and we can see that a bit closer on the daily chart. Trend line break, trend line break, trend line break. What's important to note is that these trend line breaks occurred below this yellow line, which is a 200-day moving average. Anything below that represents a secular bear market. Anything above that represents a secular bull market. Again, on earnings though, we had price pump. I did have a $10 target. We came roughly 50 cents short of that target. And when you see this formation of 3 rejection wicks and a close below, kind of signifies that price is going to go down in this example. Now, question is, are we going to get 100% retracement? Only time will tell, but that is and will be still the opportunity where buyers will continue to step in and potentially defend this level. How do things look like on the monthly chart? Well, down here you are in an accumulation phase as price is selling at a discount from roughly when price soared in December of 2020, almost hitting $140. This was the helicopter phase when money was thrown out of helicopters to anybody who can catch it. All right, so going back to the weekly chart, let's go back to the daily chart. The chart is suggesting a full round trip, but let's look at why price spiked to begin with. So shares of QuantumScape, again, this is a week ago, we're taking a stumble after the solid state battery company reported its second quarter earnings. Again, they generated $0. Company net losses increased to $123 million compared to $117 million a year ago. Company's EPS miss was due to several factors. First, an investment in QuantumScape stock plays on the company's long-term perspectives, as it currently does not have any product on the market. In the meantime, QuantumScape is spending heavily on research and development. These expenses totaled $98 million compared to $86 million a year ago. QuantumScape has guided for 2024 capital expenditures between $70 and $120 million, expects to be on the lower end of those figures. It also forecasts its 2024 adjusted EBITDA loss to be between $250 and $300 million. In addition, the company expects its cash on hand to sustain operations until 2028. So they have enough cash for the next 4 years, which is good news. Now, for those who don't remember, QuantumScape announced that it had a partner with power company, a subsidiary of Volkswagen, to mass produce batteries. The partnership hinges on QuantumScape's achieving satisfactory technical progress and certain royalty payments, primarily on how long their batteries hold a charge. Again, going back to the charts, if you didn't take off some off the table, sorry to hear that. If you have held onto the stock, maybe it's an opportunity dollar cost average. If price can decline $1 more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.